My name is Nikolay. I'm from Bulgaria, and I'm working as a full-time security consultant for a few companies, and I do bug bounties part-time. I also have 2 kids and a beautiful wife. Well, it started like 4 years ago, and all started because of curiosity. I wanted to check how you can manipulate the application and the web applications, and also it was something that I did daily. I mean, I was working as a system administrator, and we had that issue that one of the clients managed to order some stuff without paying it, and that's why I started exploring how this is even possible and how we can do it. Yes, I do it part-time. I don't get much time last year, for example, because I'm doing a lot of consulting at the moment. But when I have spare time, I really enjoy doing bug bounties. Yes, I can tell you my most memorable bug. It was an application where you have only user access level, but adding 2 slashes in the URL, you were able to execute commands as a high privileged user. That was it. You just needed to add this. Yeah, I think the best tip that I can offer is like to concentrate on one type of bug and then get professional on that one, and also explore the tools, but not every single tool that comes up in the internet. So better pick up the best one you are comfortable working with. Oh, I've seen here amazing people, amazing hackers. Every one of the people here is just amazing. I haven't seen so much quality and gathered at one place till now. Well, it took me like a month and a half, but it was because I was using a lot of automation, and I had knowledge of scripting before that, so I was able to make my own tools. So it was quite a fast first bug. Oh yeah, there are a lot of things that I can improve, like for example understanding JavaScript more, because I'm lack of that kind of knowledge at the moment, and yeah, maybe some more server-side programming. So yeah, these are the things that I need to learn more. I want to learn more. Is the scope of the program. I really love large scopes because that gives you more diversity, more technologies that you can explore, and more bugs. Oh, how do I react when I find a bug? There is some rush, some like butterflies in the stomach, and a little bit of shaking. So yeah, it's the most wonderful feeling. I was curious because this is my first live hacking event, and I wanted to see how it is. How can I compare with the other hackers on the live scene? And also the scope. I really love the scope here. What makes this live event special for me? First of all, it's been amazing organization. Everything is going smoothly. Everything is well planned. so the people are great. You get the support from everyone in the room, and also the atmosphere is perfect. From my knowledge, how big is the hacker scene in my country? Well, I think that it's not so popular, especially bug bounty, because I haven't seen so much people in the platforms that are from Bulgaria, and I don't think that there are a lot of people in Bulgaria doing hacking or bug bounties. On starting on a new program, I first I start looking for XSS because it's the most common bug that you can find, and also you can explore more how the app is functioning. So while exploring the app, I just try to fire up my payload on every input that I can.